Changi Airport Singapore, the best airport in the world? Changi Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world in terms of passenger traffic. It serves over 100 airlines flying to around 380 cities in more than 90 countries. The Kinetic Rain sculpture, located in Terminal 1, is a mesmerizing art installation consisting of 1,216 raindrop-shaped aluminum pieces that move in harmony, creating unique patterns. It is one of the iconic landmarks of Changi Airport. In 2019, the Jewel Changi Airport complex was opened. It is a multi-use structure that houses attractions, shopping outlets, dining options, and a hotel. The centerpiece of the Jewel is the Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Gardens and nature. Changi Airport is known for its greenery and stunning garden landscapes. It features various themed gardens, such as the Butterfly Garden, Sunflower Garden, Cactus Garden, and Orchid Garden, providing a tranquil environment for travelers. Changi Airport provides free, unlimited Wi-Fi throughout its terminals. It also offers a service called Changi Airport Connects, which allows passengers with long layovers to explore Singapore on a complimentary city tour. Enjoy the free movie theater. Catch a movie at the free 24-hour movie theater, complete with comfortable seats and a wide selection of films to choose from. Changi Airport offers a wide range of amenities and entertainment options, including free movie theaters, video gaming areas, rooftop swimming pools, spa and massage services, children's play areas, and fitness facilities. The airport holds an annual shopping promotion called Changi Millionaire, where shoppers have the chance to win $1,000,000 through a lucky draw. It encourages travelers to indulge in retail therapy at the airport. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe for more.